Today we're in Medellin and we're doing a free walking tour, Zippy Tours, and it's absolutely amazing. We're just halfway through it now and we're up in Comuna13, and if you give it a read about how violent it used to be, it's just absolutely awesome. I'll show you where we are now. We're like right in the heart of it at the minute. So we're just following the tour guide. There's like the food stalls. We're going to see the art, like the graffiti. It's pretty good, we're enjoying it. Got a free bit of food there, like a local donut.
Basically, but still should have left you in the middle.
Yeah.
And the guy told us how to make it. So.
Yeah.
Coming soon to the northeast.
Coming soon to the northeast. Hannah's pastries.
It'll get pristine on it.
Yeah. Look how cool it is. That little clip there because I didn't want to film it, but how amazing was that? Wow.
We'll put the Instagram on the bottom.
So that was, you know the song Gasolina? Like them guys with the dancers in the video? Well,
They were unbelievable.
Guys, can you go with me? Let's go this way.
Done like about 4 different flips, didn't he? But like this is right in the heart of Comuna13. It's pretty awesome what they've done. They've turned the whole place around. They're still on the tour?
Just went like that.
No, I didn't see it. Oh, my head's hitting off these hats.
Wait for me in the corner down there.
The tour finished and it was absolutely amazing. It was Zippy Tours.
Our guide Esteban.
Absolutely
And his little
amazing.
brother as well.
Yeah,
Really nice.
So basically, he's left. He said to go to the bar. That's
Transparent room.
oh, fine, 2 seconds. There's a bar right up there, and that's where we're gonna head. And we've got to go up the escalators and everything. But like, it's really informative of what he tells you about. God, it goes into all the detail about the drugs, like how the money gets used, about people dying. Like, geez, it's crazy. Well, I mean, look at this. It's so safe. Tourists are very safe here. There's only 2 Airbnbs you can stay at. There's no hostels or anything. And to believe it or not, this place is actually safer than El Poblito. This is actually safer here than it is where we're actually staying in our hostel, because it's all protected by the community. Absolutely amazing, like crazy. So we're riding up on all the escalators going up to the top of the bar, and like every little stop's just like can I say there's people singing down there? I can't believe it. I really wasn't expecting this at all. Like,
It's a really nice.
Honestly, if you come to Medellin, you have to come to the Comuna13 and just experience.
But do it as a tour, definitely.
Yeah, do it as a tour. Just to say that again, you can come here by yourself, but if you do a tour, you're going to find out a lot more.
This one.
Yeah. So we came up here and there's just an absolutely amazing view. So the sun's going down now and this place just gets even cooler. It's just like neon lights everywhere. There's loads of bars up there on that hill. You see all the neon lights. And the vibe's just amazing. Like, can't describe how good it is. I'm just walking down the street, so safe. But yeah, it's an amazing tour to do.